Welcome back to After the Unboxing, where I review the pros and the cons. Today, I'll be reviewing this Gucci Monogram Gucci team dress shoes. So, I'll be starting off with as I see the cons so far. The cons, it wrinkles. It wrinkles real. This shoe real wrinkles real fast. You see how it wrinkles right here, and wrinkles right here. The wear pattern on the bottom is pretty good, and the wear pattern on the heels is relatively fair. Careful how you clean your shoe. As I always said, use moisturizers. If you gotta use a little water, use a little water. If you're gonna use a little soap, use a little soap. At the back, we would say the Gucci. Because this one said Gucci right here. And this one says team. Be careful how you clean the back here, because there's a sheen on the bottom that goes all the way around, and if you rub here, you're gonna remove the sheen, because when I first tried to clean it, I almost removed the sheen. If you look where the team is, it's a little a mini line. Is you could see it, but it's not. If you don't know, you don't know. Just like this one here, this one don't have it. So you got to be careful what you use to clean the heel or clean the bottom of the shoe, because this tends to fade and you will lose the sheen if you use certain things that, I don't rub it too much. There's minimal scratching of the leather. All I'm seeing is just the creasing, the excessive crease. Because most of these shoes, you don't really see much of a creasing and stuff like that. So this one holds a lot of creasing. The Gucci emblem here is pretty solid. I don't see no form of lifting. I don't see no form of any threads lifting up. The canvas, it stands out except for the wrinkles that you see here. And the bottom wears pretty well. My cons that I see is just that the excessive wrinkling. Here literally you could wipe away the sheen from the heel. The wear on the inside is good. The canvas is is good. So I don't really have much more of a negative to say. The cons, the pro is just that it's a nice shoe overall. It's with the heel, it still comfortable, still draws attention, and so this is after the unboxing, where I'm just reviewing. And as you see in the front here, that's from typical wear and tear in the front that you see based on walking. That's fine. So I can't say, well, I see where the letters fade. I can't say, well, I see where any form of stitching. So this is actually a pass, regardless of the wrinkles and stuff like that. And do remember, these fit true to size. So I'm at 10, and if you look, this is a 10 and a half. So I recommend go a half a size up or one full size up. So because I understand that this material is kind of stiff, so I went a half a size up, and it was a good look. And so this is just my review of my Gucci Monogram Gucci team, and this is after the unboxing, after the wear, the tear, a couple years later, and it's still standing strong, still going well. I don't have much of a cons about it, beside the wrinkles too much. And is that being said, as always, I said, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Anything you see that is inaccurate, please let me know. And so I want to say, until next time,